The recent Pune employee tragedy is a wake up call for every professional in India. If you are feeling overwhelmed by the grind, today I am sharing 5 game changing strategies that I have learned over a decade in the corporate world. These aren't just quick tips, they could save your career and your sanity. Picture this, you are a bright eyed graduate ready to conquer the corporate world. Your desk is neat, your shirt is crisp, and you are brimming with enthusiasm. But fast forward 6 months and you are drowning in emails at 2 a.m., surviving on caffeine, and wondering if this is what success looks like. Sounds familiar? That's the reality for many professionals in India. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be. What if you could take control of your work life without quitting or making drastic changes? Stick around because I am about to share 5 survival secrets that can help you turn things around. With the recent tragedy shining a spotlight on India's toxic work culture, this is the perfect time to step back and reflect. Instead of just criticizing the system, let's use this moment as an opportunity to make real changes, starting with ourselves.
There is no secret ingredient. It's just you.
I've spoken to professionals across different industries who have figured out how to thrive despite these pressures. Trust me, secret number 4 will change the way you think about productivity. First secret to beating work pressure is to set clear boundaries. Constant availability will only lead to burnout. Take Priya, a marketing executive. She used to answer emails at midnight, thinking it made her more dedicated. But when she set a no work after 8 pm rule, her team was surprised. What happened next? Her productivity soared, and her boss started noticing her results, not her late night emails. Setting boundaries is crucial, and it's not about saying no to work, it's about saying yes to balance. You're not a machine. Boundaries protect your energy and allow you to work smarter and not longer. Self-care is often the first thing we sacrifice in the name of work. But taking care of yourself is key to long-term success. Rahul, an IT professional, was close to burning out. He started dedicating 30 minutes every morning to yoga. Not only did his stress decrease, but he also found that his focus and creativity at work improved. He even solved a major client issue while on his yoga mat. Self-care isn't just a buzzword, it's essential. Whether it's exercise, meditation, or simply taking a walk, these moments of peace can transform your work performance and mental health. Being afraid to voice concerns can trap you in a cycle of overwork. Amit, a junior analyst, was afraid to speak up about his overwhelming workload. When he finally did, his manager was more supportive than he expected. Together, they came up with a solution that not only reduced his stress but also improved team efficiency. Don't be afraid to speak up when you are struggling. A good manager will help you find a way forward, because a burnout employee isn't productive in the long run. Here's a productivity myth buster. Long hours don't equal more output. A startup in Pune implemented Focus Fridays, a no-meeting day dedicated to deep work. Projects that used to take weeks were suddenly finished in days, and employee satisfaction went through the roof. It's not about how many hours you clock in, it's about how efficiently you use your time. Working smarter, not harder, is the real secret to staying ahead in today's fast-paced world. Many employees don't realize they have legal protections when it comes to overtime and work hours. Sarah, an auditor, had been pulling late nights for months. After doing some research, she discovered her company's policies allowed her to refuse excessive overtime. Armed with this knowledge, she negotiated a balanced workload and her performance actually improved. Knowing your rights is empowering. Don't hesitate to look into labor laws and companies' policy to ensure you are not being taken advantage of. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can save your health and your career. Now, I can almost hear some of you saying, it is easy to give advice in a YouTube video, but reality is not all hunky dory. What if I try all this and end up with a bad performance review or even lose my job? I've got loans to pay and my family's counting on me. I get it. These concerns are valid and the fear is real. But here's the truth. Your current job isn't the end of your career. If you have made sincere efforts to improve your situation using these 5 strategies and nothing changes, it might be a sign that you are in the wrong place. Remember, there are always other opportunities out there. Your skills and experience have value, and there are companies that will appreciate a balanced, efficient professional like you.
जिस साल से मैं रिक्रूटमेंट कर रहा हूँ, बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज लिए हैं। जॉब पाने के लिए लोग हमारे हाँ में हाँ मिला ही लेते हैं। तुम कहाँ से आए हो यार?
जी मैं
सैलरी कितना लोगे भैया? डिस्कस कर लें।
Your family wants you to be successful, yes, but they also want you to be healthy and happy. They'll support you through changes if it means a better quality of life for you.
प्रोफेशनल कैमरा कितने का आएगा? इस लैपटॉप के टेस्ट आ जाएगा ना? अगर और पैसे लगे तो मांग लेना बेटा। जा बेटे अपनी जिंदगी जी।
And trust me, with your newfound approach to work-life balance, you will be in a much stronger position to find and succeed in a role that truly values you. There you have it, 5 secrets to not just surviving but thriving in India's high-pressure work culture. Let's quickly recap. Set boundaries, prioritize self-care, speak up, embrace efficiency, know your right.